stopping, like emergency stops and shit. That was first gear?
Yeah. I just
seemed like it was rolling a good bit for first. Oh, that's nice shit.
Smart.
Oh, missed the turn.
Ah, got that one. Got that one.
I was gonna say, did you even read the manual?
Did you read the manual for your 20S?
I lied. I did.
I didn't read none of my shit.
I read it, and I still didn't understand it. I understood, like, you know, hold the button for 7 seconds, that was it. Just horrible. It's nice in the springtime. I used to know, like, I literally could come down here, and I used to know everything about down here.
Oh, I can navigate down here, no problem. Probably better than anywhere else, just because spend time down here in the car. I was thinking about yanking a wheelie, but it's just so quiet. Yeah, we got the real biker coming up on us, bruh.
The real biker. He ain't even coming up. He's like, yeah, I'll chill back there.
That's still your bike. You can let it bang at like the lowest RPM and just creep. That's how we do it. Creeping at probably like 800.
Oh, damn. Yeah, this is bad. It's coming down here. There you go.
So nobody was looking. Hey, can we borrow your doors? And your hood? Quarters was rusted out on that thing though, sadly.
Really?
Got rust all in the back of it.
It's all on if you're gonna keep the bike, I guess.
No, I mean this thing's definitely staying. I mean I had people, it was like 2,600. It was like 2,800 cash right now. That's a good deal. I'm like, no, that's not. Trade-in, clean trade-in is 38. So yeah, let me just go ahead and give you $1,000 for nothing. Bunch of people messaged this morning talking about some $3,000 cash today. Obviously the weather's starting to turn, so they're starting to try and find something. But like I said, even at 3, bro, it's just not worth it for me. It's stupid.